What's going on, guys? It's Noah here with Custom RC Mods. Welcome back to a new video. In today's episode, I've got like some sort of haul unboxing. I guess it's not really a box, so it's more like an unbagging. And you can see right here, I've got this bag of parts that I just got from Buddy RC. Now, Buddy RC is a local company actually here, nice and close to me. They've worked with Peter Schriepel and a few people at Flight Test before. I mean, that's really cool. They're nice and local, so I just ordered my stuff this morning and it was in my hands, and now it's about noon. So yeah, I've got this bag that's a have a nice day thank you bag from Buddy RC with all my stuff in it after I just went and picked it up. And big shout out to Buddy RC for this video. They obviously did not financially support this at all. It's just they were nice enough to open up their doors to me, even though they were pretty much closed off due to the coronavirus outbreak. They wanted to take the good initiative of closing down their warehouses, although they were able to arrange a local pickup for me, which is something I am very thankful for. So we've got just shipping information here. And yeah, so this is about $100 worth of stuff. We've got some batteries here, looks like. And we've got some propellers, more propellers, and finally, looks like we've got an ESC and some motors. So yeah, there we go. Let's go ahead and just take a little bit of a closer look at all these things, starting off with these propellers. So the two propellers that I ordered here, these are 10x7 propellers. I got two of these, and they are really, really nice because they're a little bit bigger. I normally run 9x6s on these planes that I'm going to be changing up to 10x7s. A larger pitch, so there should be more thrust, as well as it's just a longer propeller in general. So I'm really excited to see how these perform on the Mustang and the Baron, as well as I might try them out on whatever becomes of the Scout Cub, extravaganza, whatever is going on back there. But I've got the 10x7s here. I just got two of those, and then I got two 9x47s right here, which is going to be better for the Power Pack B stuff. The FT22, the Simple Cub and Simple Scout. These is more what I bought when I had those in mind. So we've got those two, pretty self-explanatory there. And then I just recently broke my prop for my Aero, so I got these tri-blade 6x5.3 tri-blade props for the Aero. They come in green, which is a little bit different, but it should provide more thrust, especially with my upgraded motor system that we'll talk about in a second. But you can see we've got my props here that we're going to be trading it out, and we're going to experiment with those in a later video. And then, of course, we've got our electronics right here. So these are the Sunny Sky 2207 2100 kV motors. I got two of them right here. They're approximately equal to like the Power Pack F, maybe a little bit more power because of the bigger motor size. Let's go ahead and see what's inside, if I can get these open. We've got some mounting hardware, and we got the actual motor itself. Looks like it's nice and sealed off. I'm going to take a razor blade and go to town on it. And looks like we've got a nice little motor here. This is definitely the smallest motor that I've used on my channel. This is obviously like a quadcopter motor, so this is going to be a nice prop and motor combination for the Aero. I'm going to be upgrading to like a Power Pack F, which will be a lot more performance, almost over double the kV of the current motor setup on there. And of course, we've got the same motor over here once more. I was thinking about going for a 2700 kV motor, which would have been a nice option for ultra high speed. However, running on 3S and 4S with a 6-inch prop is going to be really risky, especially on a heavy aircraft such as the FT Aero. So I decided to go ahead and skip that for the time being, just because I didn't want to completely burn up my motor and ESC combo. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I got two motors here, we got all those props, and then this ESC is something that is not new to the channel by any means. This is just another ZTW Beetles 30 amp ESC that I'm going to be running on this motor. It'll just give it a little bit of an extra power cushion, just because normally you want to run like a 20 amp ESC, but with this high prop and heavy aircraft situation, I'm going to go ahead and upgrade just to give myself a little bit of wiggle room in terms of thermal issues and things like that. Alright, so let's go ahead and just open up this ESC. I'm just going to run it across with the razor blade right here. We've got our programming guide, of course, just a little quick guide on there. And then the ESC itself, it's pretty standard equipment for my planes. I'm running this same ESC in the Bloody Baron as well as my FT Simple Cub. So this should be a perfect match with these motors together to give a good total power ratio and keep it on the safe side as well. Okay, so now that we have all of these things and the props out of the way, it's time to focus our attention to something that's a little bit more necessary to keep my RC arsenal growing and to keep this YouTube channel running as a whole, and that is more batteries. You can see right here, I just got 3 new Tattu batteries in from Buddy RC. They had some really great prices. I had 2 3S ones that were like 13 bucks a piece, and then this 4S 1550 was 18 bucks. So these are really good prices for these batteries, and I already run 1300 milliamp hour batteries just like these in my fleet as well. I also have a 4S of similar capacity to this one here. So we're basically doubling my battery capacity, especially after I had to throw that old Venom pack away if you saw that last video. Anyway, let's go ahead and open these up and just see what's inside. We've got just basic batteries, and one thing I really admire about Tattu is that their battery quality is really nice. I've been flying with my other packs for almost 2 years now, and I've used some other of their batteries on my cars and things like that before this, and I cannot get over how nice these packs are and how reliable they are. And I also do believe, I've never had to use it, but their customer service is also exceptional as well. So yeah, they also do have these nice balance plug little clips that can make sure that the stems don't get broken off, which is nice to include to their batteries. So I really do admire that Tattu wants you to have success when using their products. And then also, of course, right here we've got our next battery, which is the 4S 1550, which is a really nice addition, especially for the Viggen. The Viggen has been able to fly for like 2 or 3 minutes on my 1300 milliamp hour 4S, so this 250 milliamp hour upgrade isn't much, but it's going to be nice at least to have another 4S pack to use as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it for my haul today. Let's go ahead and get some of this stuff off of the table. Just to show you guys what we're working with, we got my 3 batteries here. We have 2 brand new Sunny Sky motors and a ZTW 30 amp ESC. We got 2 sets of 10x7 props and 2 sets of 9x47 slow flies, as well as my 6x5.3 tri-blade for the Arrow. And you can see right here, that's a pretty good haul from Buddy RC. This was an exceptional price that I got all these things for. If you guys are interested to know more about Buddy RC, please go ahead and check out the link down in the description below. They got some excellent prices and excellent service there as well. Now, another thing I went ahead and picked up was a whole new box of foam, and hopefully that's not messing with my microphone here, but you can see that we just went to the dollar store and got a full big box. So we're going to have a lot of foam to build with for these next few videos and projects. So if you have any project ideas, please put them in the description, in the comment section down below. And I also got some more duct tape for my leading edge of my wings. I need to do that on the Cub and on my also my future airplanes that I do. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this production. And if you guys have any questions or any ideas what we can do with these products, please go ahead and let me know. As well as if you have any video requests in general. Like I said, I'm really looking for some good ideas from my community to see what you guys want. Anyway, that's all I have for now, so I'll catch you guys in the next video.